Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will walk through the steps for installing Python and virtual environments, which are essential for working with Django 5. I'm excited to guide you through this process. Let's get started. Before jumping into the tools and the installation, let's talk about why it's important to set up proper development environments. First, it provides a structured setup for efficient development workflows, ensures compatibility across different systems and platforms, and it helps in managing dependencies and versions and the tools specific to your project. Lastly, it ensures your project works across different computers. Now that we know why a development environment is crucial, let's discuss the tools you will need. First, Python. It is a programming language for Django development. Second, Pip. It is a package manager for installing Python libraries. Third, it is a virtual environment. It isolates dependencies for each project. The last is a code editor we need. I recommend Visual Studio Code, PyCharm or Sublime Text. For this course, we are going to use Visual Studio Code. Let's install Python and verify the installation. First, you need to go to the python.org and download and install the latest Python. Once we install the latest Python, we need to verify by using Python -- version. Let's go to the website. So when you open python.org/downloads, you get this button, downloads Python 3.13. At the time of recording this video, it was 3.13.0, the latest version it is. So download by clicking the button and install. Once you install, open the terminal and type Python 3. Because I'm using Linux, if it is a window, it's just use Python. So -- Python 3 version, because I'm using Linux. So in my machine, Python 3.10 is installed. If the terminal recognizes Python and displays its version, you are good to go. Let's discuss about virtual environments. What is virtual environment? A virtual environment is a dedicated workspace that isolates your project dependencies from your system global environment. It prevents conflicts between projects by maintaining separate dependencies for each one. This is especially important when working on multiple projects or deploying your application to production. Its clean deployment ensures your app runs smoothly on different machines. Now let's create and activate virtual environment. In order to create and activate virtual environment, first step is create environment or virtual environment. Second, activate the environment. Last, verify the activation. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code and create the environment and activate the environment. First, open the terminal and create a folder. Let me create a folder and call it my Django project. Then move to the folder. Then open the folder with Visual Studio Code. Once you open the folder with Visual Studio Code, open the terminal. built-in terminal in Visual Studio Code. Now let's create the virtual environment. Give the name for my virtual environment is my env, or you can give it any name you want. As you see, my env folder is created under my Django project directory. Once I create the virtual environment, the second step is to activate. In order to activate the virtual environment, type. Now my virtual environment is activated. To make sure, I can type Python version. So my virtual environment is created and activated. Next, create and test new Django project. Installing and testing Django. First, we need to install Django. Second, verify installation. Third, create a project and run the server. By going through this step, we can install and test our Django. Let's go back to the Visual Studio Code and install and create our Django project. With the virtual environment activated, let's install Django. Django is installed. Let's verify the installation by typing Django admin. So my Django is installed. Now let's create the project. In order to create a project, Django admin, start project. Let's give a name for our project. I'm going to give a name for the project blog system. Now my project is created. As you can see, there is a folder is created, blog system. Our project is created. Now start the development server. Let's go to the browser and open it. Let's type 127. Now the browser is open and the Django is running successfully. So we are created Django project and run it successfully. Let's recap what we have done so far. Installed Python and verified the installation. Created and activated a virtual environment. Installed Django and tested by running in development server. What is next? In the next video we will build the first project app and we will explore the project structure, configure initial settings and create a simple app to get hands-on with Django. Stay tuned and keep practicing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.